back to my channel, everyone. It's Dooney at 615, and I am back with a quick update to a weekly card. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so very much for joining. If you are returning a subscriber, let's jump right in. Thank you so much for your continued support. If you are one of the folks in the community that missed out on the doorbuster deal during the holidays for the Florentine Lizie, I may have another alternative for you. If you missed out on Lizie, maybe Izzy is the way to go. And Izzy is currently on promotion right now as for $79. There are several different colors. It is the Lizie silhouette minus the chain with a little bit longer strap. So I'm just gonna flip through these pictures so that you can see the difference. See, it has a much longer shoulder strap. Still has the zipper top closure, pebble grain leather, metal logo plate on the front, partially braided zipper pull, but it doesn't have the little chain connector on the bottom of the strap. And the strap again is a little bit longer compared to Lizie in Florentine, which is not on promotion this week, but you can tell the strap is a little bit shorter. It has that chain detail, has the luggage tag, partial zipper pull on the top, but the internal organization is going to be the same. Florentine logo plate on Lizie. Izzy Pebble Grain has a metal plate that really looks like just the difference in the leather, the logo plate, and then the strap configuration. $79. If you missed out, that may be the way to go. Thank you so very much for watching. Be sure to hit the thumbs up before you head out and share this video with another Dooney lover that may have missed out on Lizie during the holidays or fell in love with Lizie and might be interested in expanding their collection with the Pebble Grain Izzy bag. Affiliate links down below for ease of shopping. Until next time, I do hope you find something that feeds your addiction. Take care.